Mergado Pack is a free set of modules for e-commerce platforms that will help you connect your online store with the online world.
Hi! Today we will look at how to implement Google Analytics into your WooCommerce store using Mergado Pack plugin. You need to have Mergado Pack plugin installed. If you need help with that, you will find the link to our tutorial video in the top right corner. First, you need to have a Google Analytics account. Then go to Admin, Property Settings, and copy your tracking ID. Also, make sure you have the enhanced e-commerce tracking enabled. Now switch back to Mergado Pack plugin, click Add Systems, and on Google tab, scroll to Google Analytics and enable the feature. Pass the tracking ID and enable basic tracking, e-commerce tracking, and enhanced e-commerce tracking. And click Save. Mergado Pack also allows to enable refunds for Google Analytics. Just scroll down to the feature, click Activate, insert your tracking ID, and select for which order status will the refund be sent to Google Analytics. Click Save, and that's it.
Mergado Pack is for free. You can download it either on our website or on the official website of each platform.